Hi there, it's Justin with GreenBean IT. Today we're going to go over how to install your Office 365 applications. From your computer, you can open up your browser. I'm using Chrome. And you're going to go to portal.office.com. Go ahead and enter your Office credentials, starting with your username, and then enter your password. You can select No here. As you can see, you have all of your apps available right here online. You can access your webmail from here. And you also have web-based versions of the applications themselves. What we're looking for is to actually install everything locally. I'll speed this part up. Let this process go through. It'll take a little bit depending on your internet speed. Once everything is complete, go ahead and close the installer. You can click to close the notification. Now let's go ahead and open up one of the apps. You can just start with Word. And open up a blank document. Office is going to go ahead and prompt for you to activate the product. Go ahead and log in again with your credentials. And you can uncheck the box here and then just select this app only. It'll do a final configuration, click accept, and at this point, your Office suite has been installed and activated. Please contact our office if you need further assistance. 972-215-0602. Thank you.